Good day to all employers. I'm Daisy Ganaban, 34 years old, married. I have 2 kids, 4 years old girl and 14 years old boy. I'm a college graduate in Cagayan State University with a degree in Hospitality Industry Management. I have work experience here in Philippines as a helper from 2014 to 2019. My duties and responsibilities are cleaning, cooking, ironing, marketing, washing the clothes, and taking good care of 2 kids, 2 years old boy and 5 years old girl. I have also work experience in other country in Middle East in Kuwait City as a domestic helper. My duties and responsibilities are cooking, cleaning, ironing, marketing, washing the clothes, and taking good care of 2 kids, 3 years old boy and a 5 years old girl. And I'm so willing to taking good care a newborn baby. To my future employer, I promise to do all my duties and responsibilities as your helper, and I promise to finish my contract to work with you as long as you need me. Hope you will choose me as your helper. Thank you and God bless.